Ever wondered how the first bicycle was made? Let's ride back in time and see how it all started. A long time ago, before we had bikes with pedals, there was a wooden bike called the dandy horse. It was invented in the early 1800s. The dandy horse was a simple design with 2 wheels and no pedals. People would push off the ground with their feet to move. Then, inventors started adding pedals to the bike. This made it easier to ride without having to push with your feet all the time. With pedals, you could move faster and ride longer distances. The design kept improving, and bikes became more fun and practical to use. Over time, bicycles continued to change and get better. Today, we have all kinds of bikes, from racing bikes to mountain bikes. From the old dandy horse to the bikes we have now, the journey of the bicycle has been amazing. Each new design made biking more exciting. Modern bikes are comfortable and easy to ride, thanks to all the changes and improvements over the years. Now you know about the history of the bicycle and how it evolved. Thanks for joining us on this bike adventure. See you next time. Bye-bye.